Try to simplify this. So what do? It look complex, right? But is very simple. So what you need to do first, let's look at the LCM. The LCM between the LCM of 6A and 2B is 6AB. 6AB. Yes. You know how I got that? LCM, if you want to look for the LCM, let me show you how I got that. This is A and it is 2B. Okay, 2 can come here, 2 here, 3, A, 2 here, B. What can go in is 3, 3 here, A, and B. What can go is A. A here 1, A here B. What can go now is B. B here 1, B here 1. So that LCM is the multiplication of this. That is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by A multiplied by B. Of course, that will give us 6AB. That's how we got our LCM. I believe you understand. Now, so we have the LCM to be this. The next thing to do is to multiply to make sure our denominators become all our denominators become what? 6A, 6AB. So I have this 5 onto bracket 2A plus 1 minus 4B minus 3. Yeah, all over 2B. There is all over 6A. Now look at what will I multiply with 6A that will give us? I want to make sure I make my denominator to be the same. When you are, because it's a fraction, when you are minusing or subtracting fraction, make the denominator to be the same first. So I will multiply this by B to make it my AB. So what I'll do here, I'll do the same thing here. Let me multiply this one by B2. So this one, what can I multiply this? That will give me 6AB. I'll multiply, of course, is 3A. So the same thing here, I will multiply this also by 3A. What you do here, do the same thing here. Okay? How about here? Here, I'll multiply 6AB by 1, right? Yeah, 1 multiplied by 8, so I do the same thing here. Multiply by 6AB. I hope you understand. Such that I will have 2 multiplied by 6AB all over 6AB plus this one we have in, the 5 times this is 10, and A plus 10AB. Yes, 10AB. Remember, this will multiply everything inside the bracket. Okay, so that we have 2AB and plus B. So that, okay, let me do it so that for better understanding. So I have my 5. I get B times 2AB, so I have 2AB plus B times 1 give us B all over what? 6AB minus 3A times 4B will give us 12AB minus, okay, minus this one will give us 12, right? 3 times this will give us 9A all over 6AB. Okay, 6AB. Very good. Now the denominators are not the same, right? Here, of course, we will have 12AB all over 6AB plus 5 times 2AB will give us 10AB plus 5 times B will give us 5B, 5B all over 6AB minus 12AB plus 9E all over 6AB. Now we have succeeded in making the denominator to be the same. We can now add and subtract the numerators. Okay, let me divide my board. So what we now have now, so I have to pick one of the denominators since they are not the same. So I have 12AB now plus 10AB plus 5B minus 12AB plus 9A. Everything divided by A6AB. You understand? Now, let's collect like 10. 12AB, 10AB, they are the same, right? Minus 12AB. Okay, this one, you can do like this. This can cut itself. So we are now left with 10AB plus 5B plus 9A all over 6AB. Okay, what else should we do? This one and this one are not the same. This is mine. So we have to leave it this way. There's nothing we can do again. This one is different from this. This one is different from this. So we'll leave it this way. So this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. God bless.